What's up YouTube? I'm your boy Jakwon and welcome to the new channel. Last time I did this, I was doing a shoe unboxing for some other shoes, but for this video, it's gonna be why I rebought Patrick Ewing Focus CastleRock Red and Black. Now these, I want to tell y'all before we get into it, these were my favorite shoes I bought in 2013 when they released. So when Patrick Ewing first, the shoes came back out in 2012, I promise you not, I remember the Jamaicas came out. I ordered those so fast, I probably was the first person on the website to order it, I promise you. So I had those, and then a whole year later I loved them. This is my first Patrick Ewing shoes ever. But then the Focus came out a year later. They dropped the red and black and the orange and blue. I liked them a lot. I picked up those are the Focus versions. Those are the first time I picked up the shoe, even heard about them. I just picked them up because I got the 33 highs and I love them so much, and I just wanted to be different, I had the Jordans and stuff, but I was like, yo, this is when 2012, 2013 time, so it was I was just trying something new. But I picked them up. I'm trying to tell you, these are the best quality shoes. If you never had some, or you used to you want some but never bought none, I suggest you buy some, because these are really, really good shoes. And yeah, I played basketball in them every day at school. I rocked them. They stayed clean. The white leather was good quality, no scuffs, no creases, nothing, bro. So it's just crazy. Now I just got these in today. I ordered them. They just re-released a couple days ago, actually. So yeah, they just came in the mail today, and I've already worn them. I went to this store just now, so I put them on the Burka Man a little bit. But they the same as the ones I had before, but I really think the gray and the black is darker. The colors are darker than before. It looked like the ink they use is a better quality. Maybe I'm just tripping, but I wish I had my old pairs to compare it to, but I gave those away in 2015 or something, because I wore them a lot. I had the blue and orange ones, which I didn't wear that much. I gave those away. I should never gave those away. I was thinking why did I give those away? But I remember it was a time where certain shoes was coming out, and I had too many shoes, so I was just overwhelmed by them. So I just started giving those shoes away that I wore a lot. I got tied up because I actually wore these a lot. Played basketball in them. I promise you, the quality, and I had I don't know. When I play basketball, I had a knee problem in my right knee. So when I wear these, it's I be real comfortable, and I feel like I can just run up layups, just crazy stuff that I couldn't do with some regular shoes, because I'd be afraid I'm gonna tear my knee or something. But yeah, bro, I really suggest that you pick them up if you never had some Ewings, or you had some Ewings and you just don't know if you want to get some more. But these just re-released, and also the black and red ones, which I missed out on the first time. The black on red, which I was like, nah, I'm gonna wait. Then it was sold out 2 weeks later, so I'm gonna get those too. I'm gonna probably order those tonight, maybe. I don't know. I was thinking about it because they got the 33 highs. I don't know if I really want to go back to 33 highs. Only 33 highs I had was the Jamaicas. I liked them a lot, only because those Jamaicas was really rare. I should have never gave those away either, bro. I was tripping so hard a couple years ago. But I wish they re-released those again. Please, if you in athletics, if y'all see this, please re-release the 33 highs, or just send me a pair. Just email me. My email's gonna be in my little bio thing, or just it's gonna be in the description somewhere. So, but yeah, these right here are amazing. I'm so glad I got these again. I always forget about these. So earlier this year, Ewing's near my birthday time, April. I think I got these in April, but they was just March or something. So last year, last year. I'm tripping. 2017. It's 2018 right now, but these were released, all white Focus. I barely wear these, but I picked these up because I was like, yo, they not releasing no Focuses. None of them was getting released for the past couple years. They had a couple colorways that I just didn't like green, St. Patrick's Day, no. But these right here, I picked these up. I really do like these, but I never wear them. But I might get these custom, get a custom colors or something. I don't know what I'm doing with these. I really do like the all white though. I love the all white. I really do like Patrick Ewing shoes. They're probably my favorite. I like these shoes better than I like Jordans. The quality I like better than Jordans. And I like, of course, I like Adidas Human Races and stuff. Those are my favorite shoes right now, the Human Race. I don't like the Yeezys, but I'm probably gonna do another video soon on the Human Race Galaxy, because I'm gonna try to get those. If I don't get those on release, I'm gonna see if I want to buy and resell. But no promises on that. I like to get the shoes retail price, and if I don't get them retail, then I just say it wasn't meant to be. It's not worth it to buy resale shoes when I can buy 5 other shoes like these than buying some resale shoes for like $800 or something. So yeah, that's the shoes. If you ain't got them, link in the description. I'll send it to them. Shout out to Patrick Ewing. I mean, shoes good quality, and I'm not endorsed by him no kind of way either. So, your boy Jakwon, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and more videos on the way.